This is Gabriel from BestGuitarEffectscom. I'm going to show you the EarthQuaker device's bit commander. Here's my clean tone. Here's the bit commander. And that's just with all the knobs at noon. Let's open up the filter, turn down the bass tone, the octave up, and the sub. Let's just check out the one octave down real quick. Really fast and responsive. It picks up all of the vibrato and all the string bends very well, so that's a plus. A lot of monophonic synthesizers can't handle all that, so that's really cool. That's the subtone, the 2 octaves down. Really good. Let's check out the octave up, which is kind of an old school octave up effect. It sounds like an Octavia. That sounds really cool to use in front of a distortion or a fuzz. Check this out. Versatility there. I also really like the sound of the bass tone, which kind of has a slightly dirty sound to it. You can crank this up to get some really cool drive sounds. Of course, you could use the filter to cut the high end a bit if you want. It sounds really good with the octave up blended in for really kind of nasty, raunchy distortion. Get back to some of the sub sounds. Let's start blending in some more things together here. Let's crank the filter. Let's bring in the bass tone with the octave down. So let's hear how that sounds. The sub sound keeps up with the bass tone. It just tracks perfectly. It's very fast. All right, let's hear the bass tone with the sub frequency. Bring in some octave down. Sounds really good. Let's bring in the octave up. Let's make that more prominent. Some of the sub frequencies a bit, and put the bass in the octave in the background. The EarthQuaker Devices Bit Commander. Check it out.